This is a quick unboxing and setup of the Xbox Series S that we got from Amazon Warehouse Deals. Now, Amazon Warehouse Deals is somewhere where you get items discounted due to minor defects. And in this case, we got €70 off the Xbox Series S just because the box was slightly damaged. So, Amazon Warehouse Deals for electronics. Anyway, so as you can see out the box, clearly the box was open, the person didn't want it again, but once you open the box, everything is intact beautifully. So the Xbox Series S is the digital console and it's very small and lightweight, so it's a good gaming option if you can't get your hands on a PS5 yet. There are 2 USB connections, HDMI, storage expansion, as well as the power cable. In the box you also get one controller, which is AA battery, or you can get rechargeable batteries for it. See, and you also get an HDMI cable as well as the power cable. So if you don't have the rechargeable batteries as yet, you can use regular AA batteries. Boom, bang. Then to set up the Xbox, you can set it up using the Xbox app from your mobile phone, and the setup is pretty easy. So once you download the app, you log in with your user or you create your user account. The setup, easy peasy. Open the app, get started. It asks you if it has the code. If you do, you then enter the code that is showing on the TV so that it can pair. And once it's paired, you are basically set up. You can control certain things from the app, but yeah, everything else is good to go on the console itself, on the TV. The Xbox has 512 gigabytes of storage, so I think that's enough to have about 4 or 5 good games. So yeah. How does it feel to be a traitor to PlayStation console?
Well, Sony rewards my investment after all these years would give me a PlayStation, making them available. Then I'll no longer be a traitor. They are traitors.